Cleaning your home or workplace is just not getting the right fragrances around you. Guys, you have to understand one thing: cleaning is a scientific process. After all, what we are trying to clean, the most important thing is negative energies around and surround you, which are coming to you continuously. Sometimes maybe due to negative people around you, sometimes due to wrong vastu shastra, continuously wrong energies comes. And the most important thing is unhygienic conditions around and surround your home, that also brings a lot of negative energies. Now here comes Vastu Shri Plus. This is basically a scientific product. We have spent almost more than 5 years on this product, and we have tried and tested this product on more than 1000 family and closely observed the results, that how people are coming out of negative energies. Sometimes we say mere upar kisi ne kuch karwa diya, black magic. It is very common in India. Now we have to understand that cleansing your aura is very important, and without hurting your pocket. Hardly 299, just it goes for 50 to 60 days. That means 150 rupees per month costing. So guys, here I would request you to become the part of Vastu Shri Plus family and join the mission. Namaskar.